Hello, it's Miss Casillas here. We are working on our vowel teams. So your first vowel team you're going to be learning is the AI vowel team. Today we are going to practice reading words with vowel teams and notice the vowel sounds. Sometimes when I see a word with an AI in the middle, I'm not sure how to read it. The AI is called a vowel team because when the A and I are next to each other in a word, they work together to make one sound. They're a team. Sometimes we say when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So with A and I, the first vowel is A. So the A is going to do the talking, and the vowel team is going to say A. Let's try reading the next words on the list as long vowels since we know they all have vowel teams. So this is the word grain. There's an AI, and the A is first, so we're going to hear the A sound. A, grain. What does the vowel team usually do to this word? The vowel team AI makes the long A sound, A. The A and I work as a team. The A does the talking, and the I does the walking, so you don't hear it. If I have this word, I read the word plain. Instead of the short vowel sound, A, the AI makes the long vowel sound, A, because the A and I are working together as a team. Let's read these words together. Ready? Begin. Train, strain, stain. What vowel team did you see in the middle of all these words? Yeah, these words all have an AI team in the middle of them, and the AI makes the sound A. Now I'm going to have you read this list of words. You will read the word, and then I will say the word after you so you can check your work. Go ahead and read the first word. Grain. Plain. Train. Strain. Stain. Swain. Brain. Rain. Main. Spain, and pain. Nice job. Now we're going to look for the AI vowel team words in the passage and underline the words. So you can also be writing down the words that you see that have AI when we're finished. Let's go ahead and read the title together. Ready? The maid and the snail. The maid put the snail in the pail. The pail has a red chain on it. It is a plain pail. The snail has a stain on its tail. The snail is frail. The maid will aim to help the snail out of the drain. Frail snail in the drain, put the snail in the pail. So instead of underlining, let's look for the words that have an AI in them. I see in the title the word maid has an AI vowel team. The AI says A, maid. Another word in the title that has an AI is snail. The AI says A, snail. So I could write those down and read them to someone. Next, after you do that, you're going to be doing your seesaw activity. Very nice work today.